Hello everyone, this is Eran from Jerusalem, Israel. Today I would like to speak about being stuck in life. The studies are failure, the marriage, failure, the job, the business cannot develop, is not as successful as we dreamt about it. If we feel stuck with no reasonable reason, there is no good reason why we are in a failure progress, this is the time to think about the spirituality issue. There is a reality that called sorcery, evil eye, cursing, hate, people that can hurt us only because they are hating us. It's called evil eye, which can take all the bliss from our life, like someone that drink all your water from your bottle and you stuck with an empty vessel. You feel dry with no developing in life. If you feel like that you are stuck in the same position year by years, WhatsApp me 24/6. Don't hesitate and tell me in simple word what is the problem. Send me the name and your mother name, and with the help of God, every Saturday night I'm doing this unique Kabbalistic prayer, and with our prayer we will succeed. Thank you very much for watching. Shalom, shalom from Jerusalem, Israel.